So kwa wenye walikuwa wanaulizia tutorial, so this is the first tutorial and it's very simple ya kuanimate ya logo ama text. I'm going to show you how to make this. For you to achieve this, you need to have installed After Effects and the SABER plugin. The SABER plugin is actually free. You can go from their website and download from andika tu video call pilot, then itakuletea. So then install. After installing, then open After Effects. So after opening After Effects, we are going to create a new composition. We are going to make it 10 seconds long, 30 frames per second. That's okay. Let me actually rename render, because this is the comp yenye tutarender. You can name it anything you want, ama unaweza choose kuangalia ikae tu hivyo. So from there go and select the type tool hapa juu, and we are going to type anything here. So for my case acha niandike easy. Let me make a caps on. So nikiweka easy, utachagua whatever font you want. It can work with any font. So I'm going to resize it again and position it venye nataka. The anchor point I can change the direction, but we are not going to use, but mi napenda tu neat work, so wacha tuiweke tu katikati, njo in case kama in the future tunataka kuchange kuanimate even more, we can use the anchor point kiko katikati, itakuwa rather simple. So after that I'm going to place it katikati. Let me place it down here, because up here tutaika logo, tutaanimate another logo. So from here ukishamaliza kwa text yako, just come to layer, make sure ume highlight hapa, then go to layer, drop down to auto trace, then click preview. Okay, leave the settings venye ziko tu hivyo, click okay. Ipatie time, ita take seconds, and then from there itakuletea masks, path actually for the whole text, itakuletea path just like this. So ukishafika hapo, then we don't need to use this text anymore kwa sababu we have extracted the properties from it. So from there make sure you've selected the auto trace easy, then go to effects. If you had installed the SABER plugin, itakuja hapa hivi, go to effects, then go to video copilot, teremka hapa kwa SABER, then click on it, or otherwise unaweza kuja hapa kwa effects huko hivi. From there tutaenda kwa customize core, then hapa kwa customize core utaselect hapa mahali kumeandikwa SABER, andika layer mask, then itakuja hivyo. Then go to intensity, reduce intensity venye unataka. You can change the color pia kama unataka, and hapa kwa preset is where everything is. So unaweza chagua any preset yenye unataka. For me ndago na arc reactor, hivyo ndio arc reactor inakaa. So unaweza chagua kuchange color. You can from the presets unaweza chagua yenye unataka. Kuna moto, kuna heat, kuna inferno, nebula, neon. Kama unataka neon pia iko hapo hivi. Hii sijui ni nini, Patronus ni nini. Pia kama unataka hii Patronus ni nini, mwenye anajua Patronus aniambie. Kama unataka Patronus ukuja hapo hivi. But for this case acha mimi nichukue arc reactor, ndio inakaa fiti. Patronus ni nini? So nikiselect arc reactor, so hivi nikiplay hivi ndio itakaa. Kwanza tutoe hiyo selection. So nikiplay hivi ndio itakaa. Yeah, so from here we are going to animate the offset venye itaanza, as in auto trace yenyewe. So we are going to end offset hapo hivi. So to create a keyframe there. After creating, make sure you turn it to 0 ndio isionekane kabisa. Then unaweza go forward a couple of frames venye unataka according to your will, but mi acha nichukue 2 seconds. Then bring the offset to 100. So from there tutakuwa na animation yenye inachochora from hivi. kwanza let it render depending on your machine. After Effects naye ni mnyama, so inafaa kuwa tu na machine fiti ndio itaperform vizuri. So in short hivi ndio this is the animation tumecreate hiyo kwanza. So we realize that hii ni mwanzo tu peke yake, itaendelea tu hivyo hadi mwisho. So for me to animate it, let me go to effects hapa chini, then SABER, and tutafute hizo keyframes maliziko, then maliziko ziko hapo kwa customize go down here. So I want the offset to start ending from here. So from here tuta create another keyframe, unaweza add here, then ikifika 9 I want it to, ikifika 10 acha tuweke hadi huko mwisho 10, then tuweke 0. So animation yetu itakuwa, the animation will start from here kijichora, then it come to complete, it relax kidogo, it relax for a couple of seconds, then itajirudisha nyuma. And that's how you create an animation. So I'm going to further up and add another a logo. Let's say for example ulikuwa na logo, maybe ilikuwa slogan ama ilikuwa the title of your logo, your brand. So for that to do, we are going to import a PNG file. It'll work better with a PNG file, not just a JPEG. After a PNG file, because we are auto tracing the borders, the edges only. It auto traces the edges only. So if you bring upload a JPEG, inamaanisha edge yake itakuwa the square ones, itakuwa to the edges ya the video clip. So tafuta PNG yenye ni see through, yenye the edges are clear, for the effect to work better. So from there I'm going to select my logo. Acha to hide this kwanza. Logo yangu ndio hii hapa. So ukisha auto trace, then we are going to repeat the same procedure, then go to effects, video copilot, SABER, then yes, the same go to customize chagua hapa, andika layer mask. Kisha andika layer mask, then we can hide the mask iko hivyo. Then you are going to change, acha hii tuweke ikwe nini, tuchukue patronus ni acha tuchukue energy, acha tuchukue electric. Acha tu change hata color for this effect, acha tu change color ndio tuone results. Acha tuweke ikuwe red inaka much better, ni red ama ni amber, whatever. So after that hii pia iko na animation yake yenyewe, acha irende. So we are going to animate also the offset. So for this acha tutumie start offset. Acha tutumie a start offset ndio tuone. So from here acha tuweke ikwe 100. It works the same way, ni venye start offset ni the opposite of end offset. So tutafanya tu the opposite. So hii tutaiweka from 100, then ikifika 2 seconds acha tuiweke 0. So once tumesha eka 0, so hiyo ndio animation itakuwa tu similar like the previous one. So tutafia fanya the ending pia, acha tuweke hapo pia tuweke ka point. Take 0, then huko mwisho kienda kuisha take 100. So hiyo ndio animation yetu. So after that let us acha to turn on hii auto trace yetu ya pili. For you tunacheki ime interfere na ingine, so tuiweke nyuma kidogo tuone. Na for this acha to change blending mode ikue screen. We are pretty much done. Kenye imebaki ni kurenda, so animation yetu iko hivi. Acha imalize kurenda, alafu let me play it back utaona. So ukimaliza, this is the animation yenye tumeunda. This is how it look like. So before save ama urenda, kumbuka go to the keyframes mali uliziweka zile offset. Go to them, select all of them, then right click, go to keyframe assistance, then select ease. So with this itakuwa much smooth, haitakuwa na jita. So select that, then you are good to go.